my name is Arpita and I welcome you all back to my channel Flights of Fantasy. Now, choosing an outfit and getting the right look for your cabin crew assessment day or final interview can be a big deal. It's now known that you have just a few seconds to make a first good impression. So you want the airline recruiter and hiring managers to judge you in the best possible light when they first meet you. What you wear and how you present yourself are crucial factors. Last week we spoke about the ladies, and today let's talk about what our gentlemen can wear to the interview. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. Welcome back, guys. So for the gentlemen, one of the things that you cannot be doing without for an interview is your suit. Now, your best choice is to go for a dark colored suit with the pants and jacket in the same color, same pattern and same design. Go for black, grey, navy, tan, dark brown, with or without stripes. Stay away from light colors or pastel combinations when it comes to your suit. Let's talk about the shirt now. Now go for a color complementing the rest of the ensemble. Safe choices are white, beige, light pink, light blue, blue, green, red, grey, or maybe black for that matter. The third thing is your tie. The tie is a must-have accessory for the male business attire for a cabin crew interview. Now go for a simple design and pattern that matches your suit and your shirt. Learn how to do a double knot, which is also called the Windsor knot. Stay away from cartoons on the tie or very flashy patterns. Also make sure that you avoid leather ties, bow ties, or even scarves for that matter. Now let's talk about the shoes. Dark shoes, black, brown, navy or grey. Perfectly polished, no light colors, sports shoes, sandals, boots, high heels, inserts or fashion pieces. Remember, classic is the best. Now we get to your hairstyle. Your hair needs to be short and very neatly styled. Completely shaved heads are also not acceptable until you have a medical reason for it. So try to keep your hair at least 2 mm long. If your hair is longer, use gel to style it professionally. Now before the big day, it might be a good idea to visit your barber for a haircut and a proper shave. No form of facial hair is appreciated in an interview. And also remember, boys, you cannot be wearing makeup to an interview. Now let's talk about the accessories. Now men accessories are few and very simple. You will need a watch in a classic design to match the rest of your attire. If you're married or you prefer to wear rings, keep them to your middle or ring finger only. Not more than 1 ring per hand is permissible. Remove earrings, facial piercings, bracelets or whatever other visible jewelry that you usually wear. The last but not the least, boys, it's the smile. Something a man is more appealing if he keeps his mystery by not smiling. While this may be true for cowboy movies, during the cabin crew interview, you should appear as warm, polite, and open. This is done by smiling from the heart. Let them see your friendly and approachable self. Once you've got the right outfit, you're only halfway there. The trick now is to wear it with confidence and ease. If you're not used to wearing business attire, I would recommend doing a trial run to make sure that the whole look works. This might all seem like a lot of hard work, but your efforts will go a long way to impress the recruiters. I wish you guys the very best. If you like this video, please hit on the like button, subscribe to my channel and share it with your family and friends. I'm going to be back with you very soon with more informative videos. Till then, you guys stay happy and healthy. This is Arpita signing off from Flights of Fantasy.